Hi and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the melody that you can hear on the song The Next Episode by Dr. Dre and Snoop Dogg. It's going to be a really short video because the melody is not that long and it's a pretty easy melody to play where we're going to use only the first and second strings. We're going to play in standard tuning, so just take your guitar and let's begin. Okay, as you know, this melody is not played on a guitar, so to try to imitate that sound, what I do is that I play using palm muting across the whole melody. If you don't know what palm muting is that we take this side of the hand and we put it a little bit further from the bridge on a way that the string sounds, instead of sounding like this when we play open, we put the hand there and we get that sound. This is a really normal guitar technique. Okay, you don't have to put too much hand on a way that you can hear the difference between the different tones. Just a little bit. Okay? If it's too difficult for you, just practice the melody without the palm muting, and when you can play the melody, you start practicing the palm muting. And the melody is like this. We start with the index finger on the 4th fret, 2nd string. After that, we come with the ring finger to the 6th fret. We are going to use only frets 4, 6, and 7, and we're going to use the following fingers: index finger on the 4th, ring finger on the 6th, and pinky finger on the 7th. Okay? So we start index finger, 4th fret, 2nd string, and then we come to the 6th fret on the 1st string, and after that we play 6, 4, 6, a little bit faster there. So the whole first measure is like this. You can also help to get that sound that we try to imitate, doing a pause between every tone. So instead of holding the finger there and let the whole tone ring, just as soon as you play it, lift the finger. Okay, so that combination with that and the palm muting gets a closer sound to the original instrument that they use. Okay, let's try that first measure together. 1, 2, 3, and one more time. 1, 2, 3, and okay, then we start the second measure, and it starts with the 4th fret, 1st string. Remember that we used the index finger there. And now we come to the 7th fret, 2nd string. We are going to use the pinky finger there. So we do 4, 1st string, 7, 2nd string, and back to the 4th, 1st string. That's the first half of the second measure. So when you put together from the beginning, it sounds like this. Let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and one more time. 1, 2, 3, and okay, and then we arrive to the end of the second measure, and it's like that. We play again 4th fret on the 1st string, 7th fret on the 2nd, 4th in the 2nd this time, and back to 7. Those are the 4 last notes of the second measure. 4, 7, 4, 7. So when we put together the second measure, it sounds like this. So practice that measure. And now I'm going to put together the first and second measure. Show you one more time. Okay, so now let's try together measures 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, and you just have to keep repeating that same melody. Let's try to play it 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and. And again. Okay, let's try one more time. We play it 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and. And that was the next episode by Dr. Dre and Snoop Dogg. Remember to subscribe to my channel to be updated with my new videos. And if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram, or you can visit my website EasyGuitarTube.com, where you're going to find all my tutorials. If there's any song that you want to learn and you don't find it in my website, just write me a comment and I'm going to try to make a video for you. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.